Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and very easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your gents sweater, lady sweater, baby sweater. See, this is the way it looks like. I have done with this border. Wrong side looks like this, wrong side. See. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast in. See. And you need to cast in multiples of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches. I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 and plus 1 extra stitch 17 and 2 edge stitch 19. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side, knit your first edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 2 together and yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and then knit these two together through the back loop, SSK and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1. This is the repeat pattern and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We have one more repeat, repeat that again, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK. And then knit 1. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and after you finish your all repeats, for your last 2 stitch 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. For your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here, purl 1 and after purl 1, SSP means it's like SSK on the wrong side. So you will slip, knit twice, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and you first shift these 2 to your left hand needle and then purl these 2 together through the back loop, right? Through the back loop. Purl these 2 together through the back loop. See, and on the right side your SSP looks like this. It's like SSK on the right side. See, and after this purl 3, SSP, and after this yarn over, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, yarn over again and then purl 2 together. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, SSP, yarn over, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, purl 2 together. Repeat that again, purl 1, SSP, purl these 2 together through the back loop and then yarn over, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, purl 2 together. And your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 3. For row 3, knit all stitches. Row 4, purl all stitches. Row 5, knit all stitches. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, for row 7 we are going to alternate these patterns. Now we are going to knit this pattern here in between of these two. So row 7, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK and then knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, knit 2 together, yarn over. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, right? Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, yarn over. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 1, sorry, yarn over, SSK, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together and yarn over. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2 and yarn over, sorry, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2 together, purl 1, SSP means slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice and knit these two, sorry, purl these two together through the back loop, SSP, and on the right side it looks like this. And after SSP, yarn over, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here, here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, purl 2 together, purl 1, SSP, yarn over, purl 1. Again, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2 together, purl 1, SSP, yarn over, purl 1 and your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Row 9, for row 9 knit all stitches. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, knit all stitches. Row 12, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 12 rows, row 1 to row 12 over and over again until you reach your desired length, and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.